Hey guys, MotorCarNut here, and I got a little short video that may help you guys out that have Toyota RAV4s and you're trying to take the timing cover off. A lot of the places or whatever is telling you have to remove the engine. That's not the case. Some people actually try to take out the CV joint, axle. That you don't have to do that. I don't know if a lot of people don't know this, so that's why I'm making the video. But this is actually a removable brace, all right? It's got 417 actually, 417 millimeter bolts, one here, one there, one here, and one here. Okay, you take them out, all right? People thought maybe this is the frame, it's welded in, it's not. That's why they do that. I mean, maybe a lot of shops would know this, but the general public probably won't. All right, could just put that on the floor. All right, now you got plenty of access. See this? And then you just take it out, slide it down, and there you go. Done. Now without that, you cannot take it out unless you do pull the engine. And like I said before, some people take the CV joint out, you know, and swing it out without the bar. Maybe they didn't realize you can take this bar off. And that's, you know, you got to understand, when you put this back, you have to have glue on it. You know, how you going to snake it up to the top with all smearing the glue? Where this way, you can do it a lot more controllable and get the job done. All right? A lot of people don't know that. This will save you a lot of money. If only people would read the service manuals. But then again, that's what you got MotorCarNut for, right? All right, guys. Please subscribe, hit that like button. Any questions pertaining to the video, leave them below. I answer all my questions. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for all your feedback, and see you soon.